Hello dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today is our third tutorial in Microsoft Excel. Today we will learn three basic formulas that are frequently used in our daily working while using Microsoft Excel. Okay, these three formulas are AUTOSUM, SUBTOTAL and SUMIF. We will start from AUTOSUM and then tell SUBTOTAL and then SUMIF. Let's see that I have a database here for the sale of different brands of mobile in the month of June, July and August. Okay, month. So I have iPhone, Vivo, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Oppo and Infinix. These are the brands name. Month is mentioned in the month column. These are quantities sold. These are the price at which these mobile are sold, and this is the sale price, final sale amount. Okay, you can see here the formula: quantity into price. Okay, so to auto sum, I will click alter and plus. You can see alter and plus. Okay, I press enter. You can see here the amount 69.4 million. I will press Ctrl B to bold this total. You can write here total. Okay, so the total sale amount is 69 million. I can auto sum by pressing alter and plus sign. Okay, so I delete this and again I press alter plus sign. You can see here sum from K4 to K21. Press enter. You have the summation here. So to do auto sum, I will press alter key and plus sign. Alter key and plus sign. I get the summation. Okay, or otherwise through formula I can do this by pressing is equal to sum, then I select the amount, I select the range from K4 to K21, bracket close and then press enter. Okay, so this is the auto sum formula. What is the problem with this auto sum formula? I will show you. Okay, suppose I put filter. I want to see the total of all mobile sales in the month of June. So I select here the month June. Okay, only select June, press. You can see here the auto sum is hide it, and to see the total you have again to do summation, that is 18.9 million. So when you put filter, this auto sum will be hide and will not be visible for your analysis. Okay, so to avoid this, here you can see again. Okay, so if there is no filter, you can see the auto sum with correct amount, but you if put filter, for example I want to see July, here you can see that the total is now hide between row 15 and 23. Okay, so to avoid this I will use, instead of auto sum, I will use subtotal. So to put subtotal formula, I press is equal to, then sub, you can see here subtotal. Okay, then you have different functions available here. I will press 9 because this is used for 9, because 9 is used for total. Okay, I press 9, then I will select the range from K4 to K21. I press enter. Here you can see the total is again 69.45 million. So what is the main difference, or what is the benefit of using subtotal instead of AUTOSUM? This is if I put filter now for the month of June. If I want to see total sales in June, here you can see the amount is 18.9 million. So with the AUTOSUM this is not possible, because AUTOSUM, the filter, if you put filter, the AUTOSUM will be hide. Okay, so with the use of subtotal, now you can see the total even after putting filter. If I want to see July, now you can see July. If I put June, July, okay, August, here you can see August. Okay, so clear the filter. Then for example, if I want to see the total of iPhone only, okay, I select iPhone. Here you can see total of iPhone in June, July and August, total is 13.5 million. So in my view, using subtotal is much better than using AUTOSUM. Okay, then we have the SUMIF formula. You can see here again sum formula. What I do, okay, the total are sum is 69.5. If I want to see the sum of only these three brands, okay, I want to see the sum of only these three. So with the condition, I will use SUMIF. Okay, suppose I want to see the total of iPhone only. So I have two options. Either I use here subtotal formula and then select iPhone only, Vivo only, or Xiaomi only through filter. Otherwise, I have another option to do to use SUMIF formula. Okay, so to use SUMIF formula, I will put is equal to sum if. Now the formula asks me to select the range. Okay, what range? Criteria range. What is my criteria? My criteria is brand. So I use this criteria. Okay, then criteria. What is the criteria? I want to see the summation of iPhone only. Okay, so I select the criteria and then the range which I want to get. I select cell and close the bracket. Press enter. You can see here total of sale iPhone is 13.5 million. So sum if you is used to get the summation with a criteria or condition. Okay, my condition is here in this database. I want the summation of iPhone only. So in this database, if I need total of all, then I will use sum. Otherwise, if I need summation of any one specific thing or any specific month, I will use SUMIF. Okay, SUMIF is used for only one condition. My condition is here the brand. Okay, Control D, Control D. Here you can see that this is now getting downward. Why? Because I move one cell down. So to avoid this, I put dollar sign. This will lock my range. This will lock my range. Now you can see. Okay, if you see, same range is selected for all three mobile. Okay, so for summation, there are three main basic formula. AUTOSUM. Problem with AUTOSUM I mentioned you. Subtotal. Okay, and then SUMIF is used to get the summation with one condition. Here the condition is iPhone. If I want to get summation for 3 months, what I will do, for example, there are only 3 months. I want to get the summation or want to know the total for each month. What I will do, I will again use SUMIF formula. Here the condition is now changed from brand to month, so I will use SUMIF formula. Then I will select the range, no, not the brand but the month. Okay, I select the months, select the criteria is June, and select the sum range is sales column. Okay, bracket close. You can see for June my total sale is 18.9 million. Now you copy, okay, you can see here that the total is again here. This total is again equal to this, because this is a summation of 3 months. For 3 months data we have used sale data of different mobile for 3 months. Okay, so the individual summation of June, July and August equals the total again. Okay, so SUMIF used with a condition. To get the summation with a condition, subtotal is used to avoid the AUTOSUM problem, that is when we use filter. Okay, again see here, if I put filter, I have used here sum formula only. If I put filter on this month, you can see the AUTOSUM or total summation is hide now again. Okay, so to avoid this I will use subtotal. Here you have different functions. I will select 9 and then select the range. So my answer is again same, but what will be the benefit of using subtotal? This you can see with filtration. If I select only June, okay, so if I put only June or August, now you can see that this is not hide. You can see summation for August. Okay, so in this way you can use AUTOSUM, subtotal or SUMIF formula. That's all. Kindly share, like and comment, and if you have any query, kindly do mention me on my YouTube channel, MNS Info Hub on YouTube. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.